There, I'm Felicia from We Buy Land for Cash. If you feel like you are stuck with an unwanted property, call, text us. We can help you relieve that land burden. In today's land blog video, we're going to look at how to sell Colorado land when you owe back taxes. Tax liens are a giant stop sign for property owners who are ready to sell, especially those who are faced with a tax lien placed on their property and it's so high that selling their property is the only option available to repay the debt, which is due at closing. A word to the wise, working with the government, be it local, state, or IRS, towards settling a tax lien is a very long process. So don't wait until your land sells to contact the tax authorities and begin to work with them towards a solution. You're going to want to take action immediately to tackle your tax lien head on. The more swiftly you deal with the problem, the more money you're going to save because high penalties and interest will increase that debt a little bit day by day by day, depleting any equity that remains in the property. While you should always consult a professional tax advisor to discuss your specific circumstances, my team of experts has gathered the following information about how to sell Colorado land when you owed back taxes. Abatement. Many local taxing authorities can create a repayment plan or forgive back taxes for Colorado land should the owner prove significant hardship or meet income guidelines. Satisfy the delinquent tax. Paying off the lien before selling your Colorado land when you owe back taxes is the easiest way to avoid any problems with closing. A tax attorney may also be able to negotiate a settlement on your behalf to satisfy your debt. You can protect yourself by verifying the recording of the lien release. So you're going to want to verify that lien release has been recorded in the county records. A dispute. If you've settled the debt or the lien for back taxes is due to an error in identity, it is well worth hiring an attorney with experience in disputing tax liens to help you sell that Colorado land. Certificate of discharge. You can approach the IRS for a certificate of discharge, and that would remove the lien from your property. The IRS is not always willing to provide this certificate. However, while you can sell the Colorado property when you owe back taxes, you do still owe that money. You can pay at closing. It's common for debt to be settled at closing on a Colorado lot when you owe back taxes. After you verified the exact same amount with the title agreement handling the closure, you can ensure that you've requested your certificate of release. A state representative will probably attend the closing and collect the tax debt from the title company's closing agent and then issue a loan release. Expiration. Though this is an infrequent occurrence, to say the least, lower tax bills owed to the IRS may be allowed to expire after the 10-year statute of limitations on tax debts, essentially meaning you can try to wait it out. And you may not have to sell a Colorado property when you owe back taxes in that situation. So you can hope that your debt will expire. Not an advisable course of action, obviously, because then you could end up losing the property and then you've just wasted kind of 10 years waiting around for nothing. Bankruptcy. If you are unable to pay the debt, claiming bankruptcy may just be your best option to sell Colorado acreage when you owe taxes. If you want to maintain ownership, however, you still owe that debt. So it's really a tough situation. My company, my team, Buy Your Land for Cash, we buy land in Colorado and we do work directly with title companies, making it an easy process to sell when you owe back taxes. We often cover all those back taxes. So that's a huge benefit of doing a direct sale to us. If you owe, we'll try our best to cover those taxes and still get you cash in hand. With simple contracts and a straightforward purchasing process, you don't have to worry about, paying off the debts, making improvements. We buy your lot as is. Closing is fast and guaranteed, typically in a matter of days, or if you need a little more time, talk to us. We can be flexible. If you want to close through a title company, 20 to 30 days is pretty standard. So call or text us 313-307-6737. chat with us today. We're here for you. We'll do what we can to try to relieve you of your Colorado land burden. If you made it this far, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, say hello, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're going to do lots of videos like this and you don't want to miss out. Talk to you soon.